Hello students, today we will study, today we will work out the questions of exercise 2.5 and it is of class 8. So please watch. So exercise 2.5. So these questions are solve the following linear equations. So we have to solve the linear equations. Question number 1, x upon 2 minus 1 upon 5 is equal to x upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. So you see, we have to bring the variables to one side. We have to transpose here x upon 3 to the left hand side of the equation. So that implies, or you may write over here, x upon 2 minus x upon 3, that is equal to 1 upon 4, and minus 1 upon 5, when that will be transposed to the right hand side, that will be plus 1 upon 5. This is the case. So that implies, you see, we have to take away x upon 3 from x upon 2. Okay? So we have to take the LCM of 2 and 3. And you know what is the LCM? That is 6. So x upon 2, and you have to make the denominator 6. So you have to multiply 3. Here you multiply 3. Minus x upon 3. You make it 6 by multiplying 2. By the denominator, then by 2 to the numerator. So you see, here it is, we will have to add 1 upon 4 plus of 1 upon 5. So LCM of 4 and 5 is equal to 20. Because you see the common factor is only 1, so you have to multiply to know the lowest common multiple. So you see, 1 upon 4, we have to make the denominator 20. We have to multiply 5 both by the numerator and the denominator, plus 1 upon 5, 5 into 4 and 1 into 4, and we have to write here LCM of 2 and 3 is equal to 6, and of 4 and 5, that is equal to 20. So 3x upon 6 minus 2x upon 6, that is equal to 5 upon 20 plus 4 upon 20. That implies, you see, 6 is the common denominator. So 3x minus 2x, that is equal to common denominator here in the right hand side is 20. So 5 plus 4. That implies x upon 6, because 3x plus of minus 2x, that is x. So x upon 6 is equal to 5 plus 4, that is 9, 9 upon 20. That implies x into 20 is equal to 6 into 9. That implies x is equal to 6 into 9 upon 20. 2 3s are 6, 2 10s are 20. That is equal to 27 upon 10. So this is the solution of the equation. And we got the definite value of the variable x, that is 27 upon 10. So this is question number 1, and you will have to solve like this. And I erase it. Then we will move to question number 2. So question number 2 is n upon 2 minus 3n upon 4 plus 5n upon 6, that is equal to 21. So you see, if you can take here, you see, n is the common factor, you see the numerators, okay? So you may take as this minus 3 upon 4 plus 5 upon 6, that is equal to 21. If you do like this, you may solve it off, or if you do like this, you do not write like this, then directly you can also proceed. So if I do like this, that implies, you see, 2, 4 and 6, 1 upon 2 minus 3 upon 4 plus 5 upon 6. And what we have to do here? We have to take the LCM of 2, 4 and 6. So 2, 4 and 6. 2, 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So what is the LCM here? 2 into 2 into 3. That is equal to 12. So lowest common multiple is the 12 here. So we have to make the denominator 12. So here it is 1 upon 2. So I will multiply 6 here. So multiply 6. So 6 is multiplied both by the numerator and the denominator. Minus 3 upon 4. You see, we have to make 4 to 12. So I have to multiply 3 here. So multiply 3 to the numerator plus 5 upon 6. So 6 into 2, 5 into 2, like this. That's what you have. And you write here LCM of 2, 4 and 6, that is equal to 12. That implies N, you start the bracket here, 6 upon 12 minus 9 upon 12 plus 10 upon 12, end the bracket here, that is equal to 21. That implies N a whole into, you give the, write the common denominator here 12 plus 6 minus 9 plus 10, that is equal to 21. That implies N into, you see, 6 plus 10, that is 16 minus 9, that is 7. That is 7 upon 12, that is equal to 21. That implies, you see, N multiplied by 7 upon 12 is equal to 21. So what is the value of N? So that is 21 divided by 7 upon 12. That means into 12 upon 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 3s are 21. So that is equal to 12 3s are 36. So this is the solution. And what I said you just before, when we did this one, we took the common factor n here, we wrote here, like this we did it. You may not do like this, you may 3n upon 4 plus 5n upon 6 is equal to 21. You may also do like this. You take the LCM, so this will be 2 4 6, that is 12 is the lowest common multiple. So n into 6 divided by 2 into 6 minus 3n upon 4. So you multiply 3 here, you here 3, and plus 5n upon 6, multiply 2 to the denominator and the numerator, that is equal to 20. You may also do like this, or you may take n as the common factor here, or you may place n as it was before in its place. So there is no difference, the same result will come. So n is equal to 36. That is the solution of the equation. So we will move to question number 3. So question number 3, you see, x plus 7 minus 8x upon 3 is equal to 17 upon 6 minus 5x upon 2. So we have to bring the variables to one side. So you see we have to transpose minus 5x upon 2 to the left hand side of the equation. So that implies you see x minus 8x upon 3 plus 5x upon 2, that is equal to 17 upon 6, and here plus 7 you see it will be transposed to the right hand side, so that will be minus 7. Okay, so 7 is 7 upon 1, here x is x upon 1, like this. So you see this is x upon 1, and you see it is the minus sign or the sign of subtraction. So you will see either it will be positive sign or the negative sign. So you will write in the direction of the, you will maintain the level that of the bar. You see this is the bar 8x upon 3, 8x bar 3, this is the bar, and just you will maintain the same level. Okay. So that implies what will you do here? 1, 3 and 2. What is the LCM? LCM is 6. So we have to make the denominator 6. Here it is 1 into 6. So you multiply 6 both to the numerator and the denominator. Minus 8x upon 3. 3 will be 6. 3 into 2. 8x into 2. Plus 5x upon 2. Multiply 3 to the denominator and 3 to the numerator. So that is equal to, here it is 17 upon 6 minus, you see 6 1, LCM of 6 1 is 6. So we have to make the denominator, where it is 1, we will have to convert it to 6. So we have to write here LCM of, you see the expression, the algebraic expression on the left hand side, you see LCM of 1, 3 and 2 is equal to 6, and of 6 and 1 is equal to 6. So that implies 6x upon 6 minus 16x upon 6 plus 5x into 3, that is 15x upon 6, that is equal to 17 upon 6 minus 42 upon 6. So that implies, you see, you take the common denominator as 6. So 6x minus 16x plus 15x, that is equal to, you take the common denominator here in the right hand side. So 17 minus 42. That implies, you see, six x plus 15x, that's 21x. So 21x minus 16x. Okay, so that is 5x. 5x upon 6 is equal to 17 plus of minus 42, that is 42 minus 17. What is that value? 32 minus 17. So 12 minus 7, that is 5. So it is minus 25 upon 6. That implies x is equal to, you see 5 upon 6 is multiplied by x. So minus 25 upon 6 divided by 5 upon 6, that is equal to minus 25 upon 6 into 6 upon 5. Because when this sign changed, so you will take the reciprocal of 5 upon 6, that is 6 upon 5. So 5 1 is 5, 5 5s are 25, 6 1. That is equal to minus 5. So this is the solution. We got the root, we got the definite value of the variable. So the equation is solved here. So equation is satisfied with this value, definite value of the variable, that is minus 5. Okay? We will move to the next question. Question number 4. X minus 5 upon 3 that is equal to x minus 3 upon 5. You see that implies x minus 5 into 5 that is equal to 3 into x minus 3. That implies you multiply a whole into b minus c. This is the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Okay? So you multiply 5 into x, that is 5x, minus 5 into 5, that is 25, that is equal to 3x minus 9. You transpose 3x to the left hand side, that will be 5x minus 3x, that is equal to minus 9. When minus 25 will be transposed to the right hand side, that will be plus 25. You write here. So 2x is equal to, you see, 25 plus or minus 9 or minus 9 plus 25. You see, already you know the integers of opposite signs when they are added. What do? We take the difference of the numerical values and we give the sign of the greater numerical value to the sum. So this is 16. That implies x is equal to 16 upon 2, that is equal to 8. So this is the solution. You will do like this. Then come to question number 5. 3t minus 2 upon 4. 3t minus 2 whole upon 4 minus 2t plus 3 whole divided by 3, that is equal to 2 upon 3 minus t. So here you see the letter t is the variable here. You may write over here. So we will have to transpose the variables to one side. So we will bring, here it is minus 2 on the right hand side, we will transpose it to the left hand side. So 3t minus 2 whole divided by 4 minus 2t plus 3 whole divided by 3 plus t means t upon 1, that is equal to 2 upon 3. Or you see 4 and 3, what is the LCM? LCM is 12. So 3t minus 2 into 3 divided by 4 into 3. So we multiply, we have to make the denominator 12. So we multiplied 3 to the denominator. So you multiply 3 to the numerator. So like this you have to write minus 2t upon 3. You keep it in the bracket into 4. Because the denominator was 3 and we have to make it now to 12, so we will have to multiply 4. So 4 we will multiply both to the numerator and the denominator. Plus here it was t upon 1, so we have to make the denominator 12. So we have to multiply 12 like this. And you will write LCM of 4, 3 and 1 is equal to 12 like this. You see, you just release the bracket. So a into b minus c, again the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. So you release the bracket, open the bracket here. So 3 into 3t, that is 9t minus 6 divided by 12 minus 4 into 2t, that is 8t plus 12 divided by 12 plus 12t divided by 12, that is equal to 2 upon 3. Or common denominator is 12, so it is, what will you write in the numerator? 9t minus 6 minus of 8t plus 12 plus 12t, that is equal to 2 upon 3. Or 9t minus 6, you release the bracket here, minus 8t minus 12 plus 12t whole divided by 12, that is equal to 2 upon 3. Or you see, you bring the like terms, the variables near, bring them closer. 9t minus 8t plus 12t minus 6 minus 12. Perhaps I am right, upon 12, that is equal to 2 upon 3. Or you see, you may give a bracket here. So 90 plus 12t. So 12 plus 9, that is equal to 21. So 21 minus 8, that is 13. So you may write here 13t plus of minus 6 plus of minus 12, that is minus 18. Whole divided by 12, that is equal to 2 upon 3. So now, what will you do here? We can go through the cross multiplication method. Okay. So 13t minus 18 into 3, that is equal to 12 into 2. That implies 13t minus 18 is equal to 12 into 2 divided by 3. Or 3 1 is 3, 3 4 or 12, that is equal to 8. That implies 13t is equal to 8 plus 18. That is equal to 26. That implies t is equal to 26 upon 13. 13 1 is 13, 13 2 is 26. So t is equal to 2. So that is the solution of the equation. Okay, so this is question number 5. So you will do like this. Then we will move to question number 6. M is equal to m minus of m minus 1 whole divided by 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 whole divided by 3. Okay, so m minus 1 whole divided by 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 whole divided by 3. That implies, so we have to bring the variables to one side. So here it is minus m minus 2 whole divided by 3. We have to transfer to the left hand side. So the sign will be changed. M upon 1 minus m minus 1 whole divided by 2 plus m minus 2 whole divided by 3, that is equal to 1. So 1, 2 and 3. So the LCM is 6. So we have to make the denominator 6. So here it is 1. So m into 6 upon 1 into 6 minus m minus 1 into 3 whole into 3. Because we have 2 here, we have to convert it into 6. So 2 into 3 plus, you see here the denominator is 3, we have to make it 6, so we have to multiply 2. So we have to also multiply 2 by the numerator. So numerator is a minus 2 whole into 2 divided by 3 into 2. So that is equal to 1. So that implies 6m upon 6 minus, you see, you just release the bracket, 3m minus 3 upon 6 plus 2m minus 4 upon 6, that is equal to 1. That implies, you take the common denominator 6 here. So 6m minus 3m minus 3, you keep it in the bracket, plus 2m minus 4 is equal to 1. That implies 6m, you release the bracket here, minus 3m plus 3, minus and minus plus is equal to plus, so plus 3 plus 2m minus 4 whole divided by 6, that is equal to 1. That implies, you see here, you bring the like terms closer. 6m minus 3m plus 2m, you may keep it in the bracket, plus 3 minus 4 whole divided by 6, that is equal to 1. That implies 6m plus 2m 8 is equal to 8m minus 3m, that is 5m, plus 3 minus 4, that is minus 1. So 5m minus 1 whole divided by 6 is equal to 1. That implies 5m minus 1 is equal to 6. That implies 5m is equal to 6 plus 1, that is equal to 7. Okay? So that implies, what is m? So 5 multiplied by m is equal to 7 upon 5. So this is the solution. So we have to do like this. So question number 7, simplify and solve the following linear equations. So we have to simplify, okay, then we have to solve the equation. 3 whole into t minus 3 is equal to 5 whole into 2t plus 1. So you see, in both sides of the equation there are the algebraic expressions. Okay, so we have to release first, we have to simplify. How? You see, you first open the bracket. Okay, so 3t minus 9, that is equal to 5 into 2t, that is 10t plus 5 into 1, that is 5. That implies 3t minus 10t, that is equal to 5 plus 9. That implies 3t plus up minus 10t, that is minus 7t, is equal to 5 plus 9, that is 14. That implies t is equal to 14 divided by minus 7. 7 1 7, 7 2s are 14. So that is equal to 2 upon minus 1. You multiply minus 1 both to the numerator and the denominator, and answer will be minus 2. So this is the solution. Okay, so this was question number 7. Now we move to question number 8. So the question number 8 is, question number 8, 15 whole into y minus 4 minus 2 whole into y minus 9 plus 5 whole into y plus 6 is equal to 0. And we have to solve this equation, okay? And you see, first we have to simplify. You see, we have to release the bracket, we have to open the bracket. So 15 into y, 15y, minus plus into minus, that is equal to minus 15 into 4, that is equal to 60. Minus 2y, minus into minus is equal, that is plus. So 2 into 9 is equal to 18. So minus 2y plus 18 plus 5y plus 5 into 6, that is equal to 13. That is equal to 0. So you see, you bring the variables near, you make them closer. 15y minus 2y plus 5y plus 18 plus 30 minus 60, that is equal to 0. That implies, you see, so 15y plus 5y minus 2y plus 18 plus 30 minus 60 is equal to 0. So you may give a bracket here, plus, that implies 15y plus 5y, that is equal to 20y. 20y minus 2y plus 18 plus 30, the sum is 48 minus 60, that is equal to 0. That implies 20y minus 2y, that is 18y plus 48 minus 60, that is, so this is 18y plus 48 minus 60, that is minus 12, that is equal to 0. That implies 18y is equal to 0 plus 12, that is equal to 12. That implies y is equal to 12 upon 18. 3 4s are 12, 3 6s. So 6 2s and 6 3s. It is good. So it is 2 upon 3. That is equal to 2 upon 3. So this is the solution. You will do. Okay? So now I erase it. And question number 9. 3 whole into 5z minus 7, the bracket ends, minus 2 whole into 9z minus 11, that is equal to 4 whole into 8z minus 13, the bracket ends here, minus 17. So we'll have to solve it. You see, first we have to release the bracket. And before releasing, let us transpose 4 whole into 8z minus 13 to the left hand side. Minus 7 minus 2 whole into 9z minus 11 minus 4 whole into 8z minus 13, that is equal to minus 17. That implies 3 into 5z, that is 15z. 3 into minus 7, that is minus 27. So minus 21. Minus 2 into 9z, that is 18z. Minus into minus plus 2 into 11, that is equal to 22. So plus 22 minus into plus, that is equal to minus 4 into 8, that is equal to 32 z. Minus into minus plus 4 into 13, that is 52, that is equal to minus 7. So you bring the like terms closer. 15z minus 18z minus 32z, then plus 22 plus 52 minus 21, that is equal to minus 17. That implies You may give a bracket here. So you see 15z minus 18z and the value is minus 3z. Yes or no? So minus 3z minus 32z, that is minus 35z. Or you may do like this. So plus the 30 minus 32 plus of minus 18, that is minus 50. So minus 50z plus of 15z, that is minus 35z. Plus, so you do not write here, just I showed you. Plus you see 52 plus 22. So you see it is 2 plus 2 is 4, 74. Minus 21, that is equal to minus 70. That implies minus 35z plus 53 is equal to minus 70. That implies minus 35z is equal to minus 17 minus 53, that is equal to minus 70. That implies you multiply minus 1 on both sides, minus 70 into minus 1. That implies 35z is equal to 70 minus into minus, that is plus. That implies z is equal to 70 upon 35. 35 1 is 35, 35 2 is 70. So z is equal to 2. That is the solution. Okay. So you do like this. So question number 9 is over. So the last question of this exercise. It is very much interesting, just you watch it. Question number 10. That means using the decimal value we will proceed. 0.25 whole into 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 whole into 10f minus 9. You see, f is the variable here and we will have to find the definite value of the f, due to which the equation will be satisfied. So that implies, you see, we will have to simplify first, then we will solve it. Okay? So what will you do here? Now we will have to simplify here. You see 0.25 into 4f, 0.25 into 4. You know there are how many 0.25 in 1? There are 4 number of 0.25 in number 1. So 0.25 into 4, that is 1. So that is f minus 0.25 into 3. 25 3s are 75. So 0.25 into 3, that is 0.75. That is equal to, you see 0.05 into 10f. So into 10. So this decimal point, okay, that will move one place towards right because there is 1 0 with in 10. With 1 there is 1 0. So that is 0.5 f. We can write like this because we are multiplying 0.05 into 10. Okay, minus 0.05 into 9. Okay, so if you multiply 5 by 9, that is 45. So 1.05, that is 0.45. So that implies we have to transpose 0.5f to the left hand side. minus 0.5f, that is equal to minus 0.45 plus 0.75. That implies, you see, in one, how many 0.5 were there? 2. Yes or no? So 1 minus 0.5, so that is 0.5 f is equal to, here you see the same decimal places here. So 75 minus 45, that is 30. So 0.30, that means 0.3. So we have to take the numerical difference, okay, we took and assign the sign of the greater numerical value to the sum, so it becomes 0.3. So that implies f is equal to, because 0.5 is multiplied by f, that is 0.3 upon 0.5. That is equal to 3 upon 5. Or if you in decimal you may write, if you multiply 2 here, here multiply 2. So 6 upon 10 or 0.6. So this is the solution. Okay. So I wish you a lot and join my study channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe the channel and watch it and follow it, how we have solved it. Okay. So wish you all the best. Thank you for watching my channel.